Today, I'll be unboxing and setting up the Ring Indoor Security Camera. The Ring Indoor Cam plug-in security camera. This particular camera from Ring offers an HD video quality at 1080p. Also has the two-way talk. That's with the ability to listen and talk to someone on the other end of the camera. It does have motion activation with alerts. They claim to have an easy install. And it also offers a snapshot capture and video recording. Let's get right into the opening. Comes with a sticker. Directions. A few Q&As. Warranty information. Fairly small, as they claim. So you're looking at about a little 3 3/4 inch height. Not really heavy, but it feels solid. Nothing else on this big box. That was a lot of padding. And in this long tubular box, all that's in it is mounting screws and anchors and the adapter. That's it. Okay, so there's definitely a lot of cardboard packaging for the camera. So this is everything that comes in the box. The camera, the power adapter, mounting screws, and Ring sticker for your window. So let's get to the setup part of this. Underneath the camera, I'm not going to say the base, it's in between the camera and the base itself, there's a little pull-out card. It has a question. While mounting, unscrew this base and reinstall it on the rear. Okay, so it does give you the ability to twist off the base, and I'm assuming taking off this, it does have a protective plastic that we will peel off. It has another protective plastic on top of the lens that we will also take off. And it does have, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to take off the base, I would imagine. And on the back, you pull off a protective plug, and that's where you would screw the base into the back if you're mounting it on the wall. Maybe doing that later. Right now I'm just going to put the plug back in the back, and we're going to go straight to the directions. The first thing that we need to do in setting up your camera is download the Ring app. Alright, we're going to jump right into the App Store. Search for Ring. After we get past the first advertisement, it should be the first selection. Click Get. Let it download. Once it's downloaded, click Open. Click Allow. And if you haven't already on the website, you will have to create an account. You'll do this by just entering your email and password, and an account will be created. Once you have created the account, make sure you go to your email and click on the verification. After the email verification, you'll be able to hit continue. Then you'll be prompted to enter your home address. After setting up your home information, you'll then get the Welcome to Ring. You have a couple of options here. Set up the Ring device, ask for access to Ring devices, or join the Ring neighborhood. For now, we're going to go into set up devices. We're picking security cameras. But first, let's undo the cord and get the power connected to the camera itself. The cord looks like it's about 6 feet long. Make sure you're taking the power adapter and plugging it into the back of the camera. You have to be careful to make sure that you're inserting it correctly. Once you plug it in, you'll get an indicating light on the front that it is powered. Now we'll start the rest of the process. Scan the code with your phone. It'll automatically throw you to the next screen. Where would you like to set up the indoor camera? Enter the information. Name it. In this case, I'm just naming it test. You're prompted to plug it in, even though we've already done it. The flashing indicator on the front. Click the light is flashing. Click join. Take a moment to sync up. We're going to skip this step for now. We do not want to share with anyone at this point. And we're going to skip the privacy zones as well. And they kind of force you to go through the tutorials. I try to skip through this. You can eventually get through them by hitting continue. But it might be easier just to click on the tutorials, take a quick look at them, and then exit out of it. Then you can then you can click on the continue button. Click you're done. And at this point you can go into multiple settings. You have motion zones, the sensitivity, you can set up a schedule if you like. They do have wizards that you can walk through. But just like a lot of other cameras, multiple settings. For an example, this particular setting is for motion zone. You just simply would drag the corners of the blue box for what you want to detect. I do like the flexibility on this one, that you can kind of customize a little bit. Then if you prefer, you can actually set up another zone. And as I mentioned, there's multiple settings in here. I'm not going to sit here and go through every one of them because there's a lot. And every individual would desire something different. So that's pretty much it for unboxing and doing a quick setup of the Ring security camera. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notifications of future posts. Once again, thanks for watching.